Today I received this rolling craft cart and storage table. This is the box it came in. It's pretty heavy, so you might need 2 people to carry that. Now I did get this in exchange for this review, so we're going to go ahead and open it up and check it out. So here are all the parts out of the box. Please make sure that they are all there. That way if you have anything missing, you can easily contact the seller. Now one thing to note is they are all labeled. They're labeled with these numbers. It's going to be that much easier to put together with the manual. They even include the tools you need right here. Let's go ahead and get started and put this together. Okay, and here it is put together. It is a little time consuming, but it does go a lot faster with everything being labeled. So keep that in mind when you're putting this together. So it has the 2 larger shelves on top, 2 small shelves here, this where you can put yarn or anything circular, and then 3 drawers here. Then even on the side here, it has where you can hang ribbon or papers, whatever you think might fit here that you need to have on a cart and easy accessible. I printed this picture just to show you what you might want to put on this table. They have a printer, they have yarn, they have the ribbon, scissors, so many options with this cart and how to use it. One last thing to note is the wheels. You have a rolling cart here, and then you have locking wheels here. And this cart can hold up to 110 pounds. So you can use this for a craft table, a sewing stand, a printer table, or just maybe a gift wrapping cart. So just different ways that you can use this. I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you'll have a great day.